Hey everyone, I Nidhi Sanana, teacher of Mount Literacy School, Jamshedpur. Happy morning to all of you children. And the topic for the day is present continuous tense. So today we are going to learn something about present continuous tense. Before beginning, I would like to say we all have families. We all live with our family. Even simple continuous tense has a family. Do you want to meet their family members? I'll make you meet them. The family members are is, am, are plus ing. This is the family of present continuous tense. And at any cost, we should not and we will not break this family. Is, am, are plus ing makes the family of present continuous tense. Again we will say is, am, are plus ing. We will never break the family. Is, am, are plus ing. We will never break the family. So interesting. Now, I will tell you a very simple way to understand what is simple present tense, children. The things which you are doing right now. Are doing right now. What is Nidhi teacher doing right now? I am teaching you all. What are you people doing? You all are listening to me. So, whatever things you are doing presently, doing, that is simple present tense. And the rule to understand, to learn it is simple. Is, am, are plus ing, we will not break the family. Now, with simple short sentences, I'll make you understand how to make the sentences using is, am, are plus ing to form a simple continuous tense. Okay, so let's begin. At the top, first I'll write the subjects. Then I will add is, am, are and verb in ing form. Okay, subjects is, am, are and verbs with ing form. Now, what are the subjects? Subject means the words from which we begin the sentence, children. Whenever we start a sentence, we use I, or we use we, or we use they, or we use any kind of name. So, I will write all the maximum subjects, all the subjects which we use while beginning the sentence. It is the beginner of the sentence, okay? So, we begin with the sentence. What are the words which we use while beginning the sentence? I, we, you, they, he, she, got over, wait, I'll use another pen, he, she, it and names. Children, these are only the topics from which, these are only the words from which we begin the sentence. Either we begin the sentence with using I, or we, you, they, or he, she, it, or name. Rita, Sita, Ram, Sham. So these are the subjects. Now, what will we add to the subject? We always put I, we use am with I. I am, we are, you are, they are, he is, she is, it is, and like names I will consider Ram. So I will say Ram is. Understood? These words are fixed. These like is, am, are, we will use this only. With I we will always use am. With we will always use are. So you just have to revise this. Once you will give a reading, twice it will be there, because children, these are not tough things. We use it regularly. I am going out, you say. So these are the simple, you always say I am, you never say I are. So I am, we add am with I. We are, you are, they are, he is, she is, it is, and Ram is. Now, verb plus ing. Verb is what? Action words. What that person is doing. For example, I am teaching. So I will write teach. This is verb and I will add ing. So, full stop. Now, read the sentence. I am teaching. Sentence number 1. Sentence 2. We are learning. What are we doing? We are learning. So, we are learning. We just have to add ing to the base, to the main word. Any action which you do, you just add ing. Then it will become continuous, children. That thing you are doing right now. Okay? Very simple. You just have to add ing, nothing else. Whatever action you are doing, you just have to add ing. They are, you are listening. They are walking. He is shouting. She is dancing. Any action, children. Action can be, it's not fixed action. It can be any action. Okay? It is, what is it? It might be animals, birds, or any object. So I consider it chalk. It is barking. And Ram is reading. Very simple. Our sentences, these are the complete sentences that is making sense. What you have done, you have used the means, beginners of the word which have begun your sentence. Then you have used the is, am, are, you have chosen that, and then with the main verb you have added ing. So I am teaching, we are learning, you are listening, they are walking, he is shouting, she is dancing, it is barking, and Ram is reading. How beautifully you have made these sentences very easily. It is not tough, children, very easy. We use these things daily. Okay? Now, as I have told you, you don't have to break the family of is, am, are plus ing. Is, am, are plus ing. You don't have to break this family. Okay? Now, if I will say, I shouting. Wrong. Because I have break the family. I did not use, something is missing over here. Now, if I will say, I am shout. Again wrong. Because here I did not added ing. Again wrong. So, the family will only be completed if you will use this plus this. So, I am shouting. Now, this has been completed. It makes a sense, children. What have you done? You have added subject plus am plus ing with the verb. Simple. So only remember is, am, are plus ing. We will not break the family. This simple rule will make you remember the formula of simple present continuous tense. I hope you have learned and understood the lesson very well. Do watch my video and please take out the chapter present continuous tense and do it, read it once. It will be very much clear to you. Still, if you find any doubt, just jot it down and we will clear it soon. Okay? And do practice this at your home. So, thank you so much.